Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Ford included this toolkit with the new Bronco, and I could not find a reference to it in the owner's manual. I only saw a few references in the manual to some of the included tools, but not to the kit itself. But there were a number of things in the kit that were a complete mystery to me, so I started researching what everything was supposed to be used for. I thought I'd share what I figured out so far in case you were wondering the same. There's a 10mm and a 13mm socket that will fit the included 1/4-inch ratchet wrench. I have no idea if Ford intended the 10mm socket to be used in specific locations, or if they included it because, well, it's a 10mm and that's used everywhere under the hood, right? I know the 13mm socket is meant to be used for removing the bolts on the door hinges so the doors can be lifted off. Related to this are these rubber strips that you're supposed to temporarily put on the fender and door to protect their edges during the removal process. And the little fishing weight screw looking thingy is supposed to be screwed into the door hinge's bottom bolt hole to act as a temporary locator pin when you're putting the doors back on. There's another storage pocket where I believe you're supposed to store the door bolts and I guess any other screws you remove. There are some stretchy loops in here that I have no idea their function. From their shape, I thought maybe this kit was missing a pair of pliers or something, but after more research, it looks like we're not missing anything. If anyone knows what they're supposed to hold, can you put it in the comments below? There's also a few Torx Plus tools in here. We've got a TP50 socket bit that will fit the socket side of the ratchet wrench, and a TP30 size bit that will fit the open-ended side. In addition, Ford also included an L-shaped tool that has TP30 Torx Plus size ends. The smaller Torx Plus TP30 size can be used on a number of screws inside the Bronco. It can also be used on some accessory-ready screws on the outside. I think a lot of screws on the modular bumper are the size 2, but we didn't option that bumper, so I couldn't check. As for the larger TP Torx Plus bit, I thought it might be for the tailgate hinges, but nope. The only place I found where it fits is in the rear cargo area. Maybe more screws on the modular bumper that we don't have? No idea. If anyone knows where else this can be used, can you post in the comments below? Thanks. If any of you had questions about the tools included and what they were intended for, hopefully I solved some of that mystery for you. Well, that's all I got. See you later.